Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox error error code 277. Type here view network connections. Here's it. Now just click here, click on your connection, right click on it and click properties, select protocol internet version 4. Click on it and click properties, and now once you're here click used following the DNS server address and type here 88888844 and then click OK, and that's it. Now just try again and your problem must be fixed. That's it, just close it and try again, and don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.